Please help me. I've been stuck on this dreaded show for years. Nobody wants me. Nobody loves me. Help! Help! I've been stuck on this dreaded show for years. Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me.
Oh my God. Wow. Wait, hold on, go over there and then click that annoying bird. Hold on, the bird in the cage has one too, and go over there and click that.
What?
The bird in the cage. Yeah. Help me.
Help me. Help me, please. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Well, I feel like that was a pretty decent video.
Say goodbye.
Not yet.
Oh.
No, we're not done. Don't think we're done. You can't just say we're done.
I can.
No, you can't.
Dude.
No, you can't. We're not done.
All right, fine. All
I'm
right.
still recording. You sit down this perfectly normally sized chair. It costs $200.
That's a bench.
This costs $200.
It's a scam. Look over there. There's a bed. Why is that? Wait, hold on. Look, he said, hold on, you could buy this for only $49. Look. Look, you can take this for $49. If you sign a signature, you'll give them all your money.
So not $49.
Yeah. You give them $49 plus all your other money.
Oh, so 49 plus 1.
Million, yeah.
No, 49 plus 1 is for me because I'm a child.
Sure.
Ow, that hurt. It shocked me. Alright, what about the cat?
The bed.
Ooh, why is this Shrek music though?
Shrek. Oh, look at that bed. The motion air bed.
An emotion airbed sounds like
Well, you can be a billionaire or a big
This is the most uncomfortable bed ever.
Hold on, it's modern.
I think somebody came in here
It's
and stole
modern.
the mattress.
You might actually be right.
Oh, this is a bed though. This is what I call. It's wet. That's not a problem. Time for bed rating. I feel like it would suck out water. So for people who are sad, if you're sad, get this bed because it looks like it sucks out water.
Yeah.
All right, I give this bed. This turns into bed ratings. I'm gonna give this bed. This bed's really comfortable, and especially for like staying on it. I give it a 7. Really smooth fall. Next bed. This is the most average bed I've ever sat on. Doesn't suck up water. Old. 6. What did I get the other one? 7? The other one's an 8. Oh, the fall off was nice.
Why is this sheep branded?
Oh no. Oh, the pillow. I know the pillow's not a part of the bed, but we were doing pillow ratings. This pillow is amazing.
It's over there in the chairs.
This gets an 8. Ooh, what about this? It's 149.
Oh, come on. These are all scams.
I want a cup from Cookie Cheese.
Let's go back to those birds.
Oh, the bird?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about that. Hand me the camera.
Okay.
Going to the birds. Where are the birds? Where'd the birds go? Birds, say hi. Hi, 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 hi. Oh yeah, they're high on drugs. Subscribe.